Hey everyone, this is just a quick video update for the step aerobics routine that's on our Facebook Live just now. So if you want to figure out how to do the stamp straddle with the rotation, here it is here. So we're starting on our right foot, single stamp there, double stamp there, to a basic step, and a knee, yeah? Now we do it on our left, single stamp, double stamp here, basic step, and into a knee. Yeah, so when you do the rotation, the single stamp stays the same, yeah? But instead of going to this side, we're going to go across the board. So single stamp, double stamp, there's the basic step, and the knee. Then you've got to get back over, single stamp, double stamp, basic step, and knee. Yeah, again, right leg, single, left leg double, basic step. Now that knee lift changes you to your left. Single stamp, double on the right, double, basic step, and the knee. Yeah? Now the double stamp becomes a tick-tock step. So, single stamp, tick, tock, tick, down, basic step, knee. So you've taken out the double and you've put what they call a tick-tock in. Single stamp, straddle, tick, tock, tick, basic step, and knee. Yeah? So I'll show you one more time there. Single, tick, tock, tick, down, basic step and knee just to change over. Single stamp, double stamp becomes tick, tock, tick, basic step, and knee. Hopefully that will help you with the routine that we're doing just now on Facebook Live. Find us on the Studio Fitness Boutique page on Facebook. You can join our step classes on Monday, Tuesday and Fridays. Well done.